Hey there, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will take care of the problem number 7 of Project Euler, which is 10,000 first prime. Let's read the problem. By listing the first 6 prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13, we can see that the 6th prime is 13. What is the 10,000 first prime number? First, we need to define a function to tell us whether a number is prime or not. Then we will start by the first prime, which is 2, going forward and counting the numbers which are prime, then until we reach the prime number at this index, and printing that value would give us the answer. So first, let's define the function, which will be telling us whether a number is prime or not. So define is prime number. First, if the number is divisible by 2, means it's even, we will return false. We will not use this function for number 2, which is the only even prime number. So we're good to go. Then we will start the for loop, starting from 2 until the square root of the number. This function method, the square root, will return a float. We need to convert it to integer. Then the range function in Python, the last index is exclusive, so we need to add +1 to it. Then if our main number is divided by any of those numbers, it means that it's not prime. So if the remainder of the number divided by I is 0, then we will return false. And then at the end, if the for loop finishes and everything is good, we will return true. So this is our function to tell us whether a number is prime or not. So we will start from 2. The prime count so far is 1. Then we will start the while loop while prime count is below 10,000 first. We will add 1 to the number. Then if the number, actually is prime, the number, then, here it should be n. Then we will add 1 to the prime count. And I believe that's it. At the end, if we print n, it will give us the answer. This is the correct value. You can go and test it for yourself. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Take care and have a good one.